Alright, welcome back again. This is Ricky Garage, and today subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we're here to talk about these things here. Every day you see this sign on your dashboard that you don't know what it stands for. Today I'm going to teach you about that and what's going to happen. What's going to happen if you press this button? What's going to happen in your car? So this button, this one is a front windshield defroster, and then this one is rear. For rear window defroster, front windshield defroster, and rear window defroster. This one, you can see this one. When you press this button over here, this one you press activate the window, that's the front windshield window, and you press it. This one is on, then the front window shield defroster, then it begins to heat the front windshield. And this one, you can see water over here, around over here. When you press it, it will heat this. It will heat this glass will heat, and then it melts all this. So when this thing active, the button is active, it's going to heat the glass. The glass will heat, and then melt every ice and every snow from the front windshield. This glass will heat up, and then it melts because it's powered by electricity. Yes, it's powered by electricity. So immediately you press it, then it's going to melt all these things. You can see that prevent the driver not to see. It will melt all these things. Apart from the wiper, this is what this sign it means or it does in the car. Whenever you see it in the car, and when you on it, when the AC is on, when you on it, then it begin to heat. And this one is rear window defroster. This one too is powered by electricity, and the dashboard switch is powered. So when you press it, it's the same thing like the front one, like this one. It's the same thing. So by this one, you can see the lines at the back, the brownish lines at the back. This is a thin, that brownish lines you can see, but the front one you cannot see. It's invisible, so you cannot see. But when you press it, then it begins to activate and then melt the ice. But the rear one, you can see them brownish lines at the rear window glass. You can see it. The lines is there. So when you press it, all the ice and all the snow will melt off, so that it will be clear for you, and you can see at the back. So when there is a snow that cover the whole place that you cannot see, or you cannot use a wiper to wipe it off, this is what you're going to use. This one is this one that you're going to use. The rear, you press it, then it activates, then it begins to heat up the glass, and then the snow or the ice, all of them will melt off. So this is the work of this signs. This is the work of this signs. You can see rear, you can see marks, and the marks one, that's the front windshield defroster, and then this is the rear window defroster inside. So this one is a button. So whenever you see this one here, you press it and activate. Press it and activate. It's the same thing. Alright, so today we are talking about this one and this one. tomorrow, another time, we have time to go through all these things. This is stand for, this is stand for, this one, this one, this one. And for the AC system, you can see the AC system over here. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we're here to go. Thank you. Thank you. It's a Garage.